Hi, it's me, Big Bird, with my teddy bear, Radar. Say hi, Radar. You know, I love Radar, and most of the time he makes me very happy. Oh, but you know, one time, you know what happened? Well, I put Radar down, like this. Then I went to go do something. And then I forgot where I put him. Oh, Radar was lost. I didn't know what to do. So I yelled, "Radar! Radar! Where are you?" But, of course, he couldn't answer me because he's just a toy. Oh, boy. Was I sad. Oh, I cried. Oh, oh, oh. And then I said to myself, "Stop crying, Big Bird. Think, think. Try to remember where you put your teddy bear. Use your bird brain," I says. And then, aha, I remembered. I remembered where I put him. There you are, Radar. So I picked him up and I hugged him and I kissed him. Oh, I tell you, having a good memory will sure come in handy sometimes. Try it yourself sometime. You'll see. Radar.